kurumirira wongerereku wa mitino ya barabara guku Bururini. Ruhonge rwa guthurumia mabarabara rwa Kenha nirwabikite Mitaratara ya Gwikira kamera mabarabara-ini na niguo kuhukia mitino ino na gicunje kia 20% hari mwaka ukite.
And it's out of that the CS of Transport and Roads directed that speed cameras be erected in various high-ranking places along the Nairobi-Nakuru road, what we call the A8, and various places have been identified in which there is a process of trying to procure those cameras that will ensure that there is enforcement in terms of overspeeding, and we anticipate that with that measure we shall reduce accidents by 15 to 20%.
Kurigana na ruhonge ruru andu Makiria ya Gari 3 ni matete mioyo yao mwaka-ini uyu turi. Mitino ino igicungirirwo ni matereba guthiaga na Thifidi Nene Utwarithagia mari ariu na oho kwaga gukorwo na ubashiriru mabarabara-ini.
And we chose this location because of the carnage that has occurred between Nairobi and Nakuru that greatly affects the lives of our people and our citizens in this country. We have seen some decline in the numbers. However, one life lost is one too many. So we are still striving and pushing to be able to have a further decline and also to see better road usage.
Oho, Ezekiel Fukwa kuma ruhonge-ini ruru rwa Kenha niaugite ati ruhonge ruru ni ruthurimite miena iria ikoragwo na ugwati makiria na riu mihango ya gutigirira ni manyihia mitino ino ni kwambiriria.
Nairobi Mombasa to Mabarabara road, which we have places like Salama, we have Gari, we have places like you saw the other time around Londiani as we go along, plus Ruhonge all the way to Mabarabara. We know such places, and we have what we call road black spot management procedure and plans, which we have put robust plans, 5-year plans, and we are looking for resources, and we shall be able to start mitigating.
Nake mubunge wa Naivasha Kihara niathingiriria ati no nginya macukuru mothe ma utereba mathingatwo, no ona kuri uguo ndari na nganja na macukuru maya. Oho, atwarithia a boda ni moretio kugia na ubashiru makiria hari miyoro ino ya mai ya El Nino.
The driving schools we went to no longer exist, and if they are there, what you were taught, they don't teach anymore. The road signs, you'll see a driver just doing exactly the opposite. The road markings, when there is a yellow line, nobody really cares anymore. Let's take care of each other to reduce the road carnage. If we all do what we have to do, I'm sure we can help NTSA, because they cannot do it alone.
Gari Muthi TV, Wairimu, Waki.